In this video, we're going to quickly create a favicon in Adobe Illustrator. Now the file I'm going to create is 100mm by 100mm, so it's square. Don't need any bleed, and we're going to use RGB because this is a screen document. 300 ppi is totally fine, and I'm not going to create anything too fancy here. It's just going to be PG, and that's going to go on a black background. So one of the fonts I use a lot is this Apotec. You'll have seen it on my channel many times over. A few of you have been asking what is the font that you use. So it's Apotec. It's available at Adobe Fonts. So I'm just going to create a bold version, create outlines by going Shift, Command, and O. Now that's outlined. I'm going to create a bigger version, holding Shift and dragging. Align that to the center of the page. And now I'm going to create a background. That's now black. I'm going to send that to back. To do that, it's a Shift Command, and it's like a bracket, the left bracket. Now I'm going to select the PG, turn it to a different color. So all I've really done there is created a PG in white on a black background. It's really, really simple. So now export it as a favicon so you could use it on your website. Really simple. Go to File, go down to Export, Save for Web Legacy. Now, we are going to save this pretty small. So pixel size, I'm just going to go like 32. And it's going to look really, really small on your screen. So yeah, you need a really small file for it to be favicon, because imagine it's right at the top of your web page. Once you've got that, you want to go down to Save, and save that to wherever you'd like to save that to. So I'm just going to put Fav, 32 pixels in there. And there you have it, a really simple way to create and save a favicon in Adobe Illustrator. Remember, if you got something out of that video, hit like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another one of my videos. Thanks for watching, guys.